Hello guys, this is Elizabeth and I welcome you to a new tutorial. This video is to help you to develop the stage 2 from the activity 3. This stage is called How Was My City Like? Part 2. So the first thing that you have to do is to look at the following pictures and choose one of them. Like you see, you have three options. The first option is Plaza Caicedo, the second is Puente Ortiz, and the last is Capilla San Antonio. So for example, if I choose Plaza Caicedo, I start describing the place. So here I wrote an example. So the Plaza Caicedo was big, there were a lot of people, it didn't have trees, it was a very beautiful place, etc, etc. Okay, so when you finish, for example, you continue describing, when you finish, the idea is to enter to internet and write in Google screencast or Matic. Then click on screen recorder. After that, click launch free recorder, and here is going to appear something that says download. So you click on download and start recording your screen. This is the screen, okay? Then you say this part, you start reading this part, and when you finish, you stop the video, stop recording, and then upload the video to on YouTube. Okay, so that's all for today. Remember that if you have any question, you can ask to your tutor or to your teacher.